This is by far the worst thing I've seen in decades.
Trying to stop what Mother Nature is doing to us.
Firefighters have been pushed to the limit.
Bell long-range helicopter was finally given clearance to fly.
Some are saying we are facing the end of time, while others believe Mother Nature is biting back. But for some political leaders who are persisting on obeying the signs of delay, mitigate and wash your hand while singing happy birthday song. Seriously, really seriously, what the flipping hell is that? We all hope for the best when the start of the new decade. We celebrate with fireworks, and sadly fire devastate millions of lives in Australia. We all felt it, and fast track to a few weeks later, coronavirus outbreak began in Wuhan, China. When this outbreak began, some call it the Chinese problem. Reluctant to respond to stop the spread of the virus, now fast track to current time, the world seems to be in lockdown. Countries are closing their borders, schools and shops, and speaking of shops, people are now panic shopping, especially in the West. Toilet paper are running out of stock, and if you are lucky, only if you are lucky, you'll find one. Seriously, if you ask me, I don't really get it. Why don't they use water to wash their bum? Hell yeah, because in Malaysia, we use Badet spray to wash our bum. Guess what? It's much cleaner, it's healthier, and most importantly, good for the environment. You should use that, UK, America, use that, okay? Anyways, in a serious note, coronavirus cases are increasing as the day goes on. So yeah, you ask me, these figures are pretty terrifying. And truth to be said, I am freaking out, man. As someone who spent most of my time in Asia, and now I'm back in London, which I wish I would have stayed back in Malaysia, because here things ain't getting any better. So this is a day in the life of coronavirus panic shopping in the UK.
Right, so basically I'm going to make my way now to Tesco. So I just want to see what is going on in a supermarket. Actually, there is a reason why I'm actually paying a visit to the supermarket, because I need to buy some stuff, essential ones as well, toothpaste and brush, maybe get a bit of milk and butter. So anyways, on a serious note, mainly the reason why I'm making this, because I just want to show you what life is like right now in the UK. We're living a scary time right now. Oh, careful. So we're living in a scary time right now. So yes, as you can tell, on my channel is mainly focused on making food and travel videos. So I was in Asia, and I still got videos coming out very soon. I'm going to release them when I've got time. So I just want to take the time right now and talk about this thing. Really important. It's really important. I'm not trying to make no money or trying to gain any new subscriber in this controversial time, or should I say this pandemic time, you know what I mean? So pretty much I'm making my way to Tesco just to get some things. So what is life like right now in the UK? So I can tell you for sure, man, when this virus actually started in China, in Wuhan, so no one actually gives a damn about what is going on in China. It's pretty short, especially in this country. So people are pointing fingers to say, you know what, don't come in my country, I don't want you to bring the virus. There's some people out there that actually are saying this, right? Which is quite sad. So now the thing is going global. So it's like it started local on the ground, and now it's just escalating. So it's quite scary right now. So my mom is concerned, I'm concerned, a lot of people in the city is quite concerned. I live in one of the most visited city in the world, man, London. So a lot of people come here, and I can tell you for sure, man, like here in London, like if you go to central area, like let's say Tower Bridge, London Bridge, you go to Piccadilly Circus, go to Oxford Street, there you can see like most of the shops there, there's not a lot of customers going in to buy some stuff because people are quite scared. So I think this thing is pretty much like all across the world right now, so major places. So I got a trip was coming up, right? I did book my ticket going back to Asia this June to explore more Asian countries and try more Asian food. So I did cancel my trip for that in June. So because of this coronavirus, it's quite serious, man. So yeah, and I do have a trip coming up as well. Like I think that will be in April, that will be next month. Basically, based on the way things are going now, I think I might cancel that in the next couple of days. So right now I'm in Sheku.ℳ area, so there's a station there. Yes, you can see there's quite a lot of people. Because it's a supermarket, I can see a lot of people making their way there now, get some stuff. Hey, not long ago, basically, I think the amount of people who have actually been diagnosed with this coronavirus has actually skyrocketed. So it's increased drastically in a short space of time. Okay, let me just cross the street first. I'm crossing the street. Sorry, I'm gonna get in. I'm nearly there. It's like it's not too far away from where I live as well, so it's all walking distance. So brilliant. I'm coming out into Tesco. So this guy buying. You can see the guy at far distance over there. Just got a TV there. Hello, mate. Got a TV there. Right, look at that. See, this is Tesco Extra. So you can find Tesco as well in Malaysia. So when I was there, and apparently the government said this thing's gonna get worse before it get better. In America, Donald Trump actually said, you know what I mean? Like, it actually declared a state of emergency. So which means like most of the states in America are absolutely going through a shutdown now. Schools, restaurants, you know what I mean, major sporting event, and also here in the UK as well, sporting event like the Premier League, the Champions League, the FA Cup, any major leagues in the UK and across Europe have been suspended. But most people are pointing fingers. They're saying in the UK here, the government not taking like enough action, drastic action to stop this virus to spread across. So I think I'm one of those persons as well. I'm not going to pretend. Now, as you can see here, I don't think I might be allowed to enter on my camera like recording, but you know what, I'm gonna do it anyways. So look at the amount of people coming out from there. Literally what I'm doing, it's not safe. So this is the UK for. I'm trying to keep my camera really steady because like stabilizing on this camera is getting weak. So now as you can see there, ice cream truck right there, the guy with the dog texting. Oh my G, look at him, look at him. Wow, you're walking here now, look at you, you're a big man now. Right, so now I'm inside Tesco. So I'm gonna head to, you know what, the things like when there's a panic going on, especially during this coronavirus, pretty much like people, especially in Western countries, people are more concerned for the toilet roll. So I'm heading to the toilet roll section, trying to see. So here, so on this section, so let's see if I can find any hand sanitizer. So normally, it should be around in one of the shelves, I think around here. But am I right? Yeah, there's nothing like hand sanitizer in any of this shelf here. So yeah, this is mad. So you can see some of these items they're going out of stock. So pretty much, what is that? Okay, what is the bloody toilet roll? Okay, this is the Pampers. So as you can see here, all the Pampers are pretty much getting out of stock, you know? Only a few left. I don't have any option. Okay, this one here, I think it's a new one. Okay, I think that's fine. Protect the gums. let's go on that shelf there. My goodness, literally it's empty, isn't it?
But I'm wondering why just toilet paper, no food.
At least you got something there. It's not that bad, isn't it?
No, me, it's fine.
You're fine, yeah?
I'm buying because of this.
Right.
But I'm wondering why people spending so much money to buy toilet paper and not food.
Exactly. Like literally, because I'm actually from Malaysia, so there
I'm
people
actually
don't.
from Italy.
Oh, I see. So it's quite bad there, isn't it?
It's getting better.
It's getting better.
It's getting better because of course they closed the country.
Okay.
But basically it needs to be this country.
They should do the same thing here, isn't it?
Want us to die basically, that's what he said.
Oh my gosh. So it's quite.
So as soon as this is gonna finish, I'm gonna say bye-bye to this country.
So you're not coming back? Nice chatting with you. So, walking around this supermarket, I'm starting to sweat a little bit. So the lady I was chatting to was quite friendly. So she basically, in case you didn't quite hear that, she said, like, after this coronavirus finishes in the UK, I think finish in the entire world, she's going back to her country, Italy. And yeah, I lied to her that I'm from Malaysia. Of course, I'm not from there. I don't even speak the language. But I just want to see how she responds. And in that way, I think she responded quite well. So anyways, this is quite scary, man. So let's see if I can find a bread here. Literally, look at this. I've actually come here to get a toothpaste and brush. That was the main goal. Now, I'm actually thinking about buying a bread, you know? Look at it. It's so empty. Look at this. This is mental. I can't believe this. It's quite mental, isn't it? Mental. Look at it, man. My goodness. Look at that. Wait, let me show you. Let me show you. Look at it. Look at all of this. It's pretty. I think this is a ghost town. In the next couple of days, like, if this virus keeps spreading, I think it might get worse. Like, there won't be any food in the shelf, right? Because most of the people will be staying at home. Who's gonna fill this thing up? I don't think this is gonna get any better if we don't act quite quickly. Yeah. Mission is why in the UK, man. This is not just China, South Korea or Japan or Malaysia where I'm from. It's not just that. This is a global thing right now. So the UK needs to take action immediately, right? Or this thing gonna get gilla on us, man. Or people gonna start calling each other baby. We don't want that. But anyways, on a serious note, man, so I'm gonna end this video now. Look at it. I wonder what it's gonna be like in the next few days. So I will keep you updated. Just want to show you what it's like in the UK at the moment. So now you know, you see things. I'm not making nothing up. So yeah, sporting event is closed. The supermarket is running out of stock. The people are panicking. People are literally checking up as well. Man, this is mad. This is really mad. So you can see that guy there wearing Max. Oh, actually, it's only £4. That's good. I thought it was going to be £5. I'm actually from Malaysia, so there, people don't. Oh!
All I want is round, round, found you, did it all alone, looking down your phone. No, yeah, found you, did that spotlight, that all I want is yeah, found you.